I'm gonna start now. I don't know how to start with you here.
How do you usually do it?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing blah 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 blah. So I could be like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest with me, Sienna. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest with me, Sienna. So today we're doing the Mouthguard challenge, or watch your mouth challenge. I have lipstick on mine. Basically, we have these little Mouthguard things, and you put them in, and then we're going to be talking with them and trying to drink water with them and eating with them. Those are the 3 things we're doing.
Sorry.
So let's get started. I had a second tongue out. Are you pretty yet? Are we pretty yet, Mom? I feel like my lips are like under and even pulled out.
Oh, I gotta do that too.
We have a bunch of cards. Already showing. Sorry, you probably can't understand me. We're gonna go through a few of these cards, not all of them, and then just choose random ones and try saying them to each other and see if we can guess. So, do you want to go first?
I'm gonna suck.
A lady's baboon brown belly.
A lady.
A baby.
A daisy.
A baby.
A baby.
Yeah.
A baby sat in the round belly.
Close.
A baby's baboon.
Yeah.
What? Really? A baby baboon's round belly.
Brown.
Drowned. Brown belly. A baby baboon's brown belly.
I feel so stretched out.
I know.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Ronnie Rivers. Build dams.
Brawny.
Yeah, really? I got that right.
Ronnie Rivers.
Brawny Beavers.
Beavers.
My teeth are getting cold. Build dams.
Build dams.
Yeah. Ronnie Rivers build dams.
Dild.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh. Scared diving for aluminum pebbles. Scuba diving
Scuba diving
for aluminum
for aluminum
pebbles.
pebbles.
Yeah!
Okay, this one's funny.
I blew up my muffin in the oven. I blew up my muffin in the oven.
I blew
up my
my
muffin
muffin
in the oven.
oven.
I blew my muffin in the oven.
Oh my gosh.
This is not really hard. False soda on pasta is the dead end.
False.
Soda.
Soda.
Photo.
Photo. False photo.
Passport.
Passport.
On passport.
What? False photo on passport.
Is forbidden.
It's forbidden.
Yeah!
Oh, excuse me.
What is this? My armpits feel like a new yarn that you got them.
My outfits.
My armpits
Armpits.
feel like
Feel like
a new yarn that you got them.
a newborn baby bottle.
Yeah.
I'm doing that on Saturdays.
I'm doing.
I'm doing
I'm drooling.
that I want Saturdays.
But I want Starbucks.
Saturdays.
Stardays.
Strawberries. Strawberries.
Ah!
Yeah!
I'm drooling, but I want strawberries.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? I was bald until I was 2.
You were bald until you were 2? That's cute!
I find her holy leader.
A what?
I find her holy leader. I find her holy pickle eater. A flying purple pickle eater.
A flying purple pickle eater?
You don't know the song?
Oh, yeah.
There's a one-eyed, one-horn, flying purple pickle eater.
Yeah.
One horse.
Yeah.
I
Now
love that song.
let's go on to the next part of the challenge. I feel like I need to tuck it in like a bib.
Oh yeah.
We have our bib towels on now. Where did you go? So next we're gonna try to drink water while the mouth guards are in our mouth. We both have never done this before, so it's part of the challenge. And I hope it doesn't go like everywhere.
Oh, it is.
That's why we have our towel bibs. Oh no! She just spilled it all over herself.
Oh man, it's everywhere. Never mind. Oh man. It feels like I peed myself. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
I think I'm gonna try to use my tongue.
Yeah.
Like, try to get it.
Like
and
a
then
dog,
I'm gonna try
like,
to swallow it. Okay, go.
Cause like a dog goes.
I did it.
I did too.
I think I'm done with the water.
Oof.
So for the final challenge, we are going to eat some strawberries, and then we have some chips and salsa. So we're just gonna start with the strawberries and see how it goes.
1, 2. Oh. I feel like it's not too hard.
Ow. It's in my cheek. I can't
Oh,
get
it's
it
falling
out.
out. No, is it still there? Oh my gosh. Oh, hello! Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay, so lastly, we're gonna do, I cannot spell this, some salsa and chips. All right, we can do it. We can do it.
Okay, you ready? 3,
1, 2, 3.
Ah.
Oh no.
I don't
Get out.
I don't know where it is. I don't want it on my tongue anymore. I'm done.
Me too.
Where is it at?
I can't find it. Where's mine at?
I'm done with you.
Oh! I just dropped this. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm just kidding. Why do I keep burping all this water? I drank like 2 sips of water and I'm burping. Where's my posture at?
I know.
I'm all like,
And
thanks for watching. I really enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up down below.
Oh.
Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the notifications bell so you get notified when I post new videos. I post at least once a week, 2 to 3 times, maybe, depending on what's going on. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!